This is John with WTI and with one of the best tasting toothpaste that I've had in a while. This is the Crest the White. And one of the things that I like the most about this toothpaste is how the feeling it leaves you after you brush your teeth. It just gives you this minty sensation that your mouth, everything is just working, cooling, freezing, but it's just working nice. So at the same time that is gonna be helping your teeth with the whitening and taking up stains that has been in your teeth for a while. At the same time, it's gonna give you the sensation that your mouth is full, fresh, and you can speak to everybody without feeling any scared, without being scared at all of just talking. So if you're really trying to improve your hygiene or your level up your toothpaste, this Crest 3D White is a great option for you. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.